closed. Time to go home. Do not touch the horse. 10-15 this guy. 10-15 him. Hey, you're under arrest. You're under arrest. Sir, stop. You're under arrest. Watch out, Tampa Police. Watch out, Tampa Police. Arrest that man. Black jacket, white male, brown hair. He hit the horse.
Hey! Give it to the guy in the white. Right here. No, right here. Watch out. Right here. Right there, right there, right there, right there.
All right, yep, that's him. That's a felony to hit the horse. Generate an 18 for me. We had somebody who struck one of our horses. They're 10-15 or 15.
Yeah, it's a felony to hit a horse. It's what? Somebody hits you.
You're all right, buddy.